Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Davao City. The time is 5:34 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check areas around your seat for items you might leave behind. For passengers who need assistance, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be very happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Santos and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Ladies and gentlemen, please be informed of the smoking ban in Davao City. This is strictly implemented in all enclosed buildings, public transportation, and public places in the city, including any part of the Davao International Airport Terminal. Thank you.